Hi, I'm Mark Fraser with Edwards Garage here in Rocky Mountain House, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to do a walk-around video of this. It's a 2016 Chev Camaro with a 2SS package that has the 6.2 liter engine. Very clean, low mileage car. It has 4,400 kilometers, so like brand new. But I just want to walk around and show you the condition. It's been well looked after. I know it's been stored inside. Just want to bring you around here. It's keyless entry. So we got programmable seats. We've got the Bose sound system. It is a 6-speed manual. Of course, it is convertible. It has heads-up display. Nice, comfortable sport seats in it with the the SS badging on the back there in red. Now, there's lots of features on the radio that we can change and customize it to your liking. But there is one little neat one in there that where you can set the mood lighting. So you can see here it's set to yellow right now. So you can actually change it to multiple colors in the settings in the radio. So pretty cool little option. Just moving back here, just looking at condition. Very well maintained. It's got the backup sensors. Tires are in great shape. But overall, it's in like new condition. It's been very well maintained, and again, it has just over 4,400 kilometers. So if you have any questions on this Camaro, feel free to give me a call at 403-845-3328 and come down and check out this 2016 Camaro SS with just over 4,400 kilometers. And when you call, don't forget to ask for Mark.